So I'm trying something different, giving you a different angle of my place. I'm actually on the floor this time. So I just got a package. I'm so freaking excited. It's my film camera, hopefully, or it might be something else. Well, whatever it is, you, my friends, will be witness to it. It is. I am so excited for this. You don't even know. So I snagged this little number off of eBay for such a small amount. So here's my camera. Look at that. That's freaking awesome. It's basically brand new. It's amazing. I can still register it to get the warranty. It still has the freaking manual. I'm so happy with this purchase. Whew, okay, so I'm gonna actually set this up because I love new toys. So I'm gonna play with this, and maybe if the pictures are any good, I'll show you all a couple of them on my next video or next time or whenever it is that I, you know, develop these pictures. And oh my god, it's got a freaking battery. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe, like the video, or no, do not dislike it. If you dislike it, I'd prefer a comment telling me how I could better the videos. Please. And that's it for me.